Hi guys, how are you doing? Happy New Year to you all. It's been 2 months that I'm away from YouTube and social media. I really needed a break from all these things. I'm completely alright now and I've planned exciting videos for you all. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, click that red button below and subscribe to my channel. As I said, I'm active on my social media as well, so follow me on all these links on my screen right now. Today I'm going to show you guys how I transformed my old silk sari into an outfit. You must have seen this sari in my earlier videos. This is a Gujarati Patola silk sari. In my previous live video also I have shown you this sari and I have mentioned about transforming some of the saris into dresses. So that's what I'm going to show you today. I can use this as a dress or as a kurta. I love wearing dresses. Mostly I'll be wearing this as a dress. I went with a simple high-low hem and I've taken one more silk sari. And I love this color. You guys know how much I love yellow, and this mustard shade is amazing. I really love it. I made it into a slim fit pant. I can use it separately for another dress also, and this same fabric I've used it from the inside of the kurta. Let me just show you. That's the inside of the dress. You can call it kurta as well. I've used half sleeve and I went for a deep round neck for this. And with that set, I've taken this dupatta from Big Bazaar, and this goes well with that. So that's the outfit which I got from the tailor. I've turned 2 silk saris into my outfit. Remaining fabric I've used to make a blouse for Patulanga for Kiara. If Kiara permits, I might make a video with her. As you guys like Kiara in my videos, I might make that video soon. I worn this outfit to one of my relatives' wedding. I will show you the whole look and some pictures from that event. So happy to get back to these videos. Watch more videos of mine. You will love them. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and follow me on all my social media links. Until next time, bye.